to today's video. So in today's video, I got my Witch's Roots. Now, Witch's Roots is a monthly subscription box, and it costs $30, $33. I don't know. I pay about $30 to $33 for it, and you get like incense and oil and a stone and artwork and a lot of fun stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for this month. Now, I don't remember what the theme was. Usually it has a theme, and I think I missed that email. So we're going to go on in. So it looks like, so it's this, and I don't know how to say that really. Carnelian. Anyway, let's see what it says. I don't know if this is a stone or if it's a... I mean, it says it has a composition number to it, so... It says some of the largest deposits are commonly found in India, Brazil, Germany, Indonesia. I'm going to go with it. It's a stone of some kind. And then we also have one for cinnamon. So cinnamon must be our herb, and this one must be our stone. So this is going to be really fun. I've never had like a themed stone box. So this is the information, and it tells me everything that's in this box. We will hold this to the very end because we're going to keep it a surprise. Move our artwork, and we're going to open it. It smells really good. It's surprisingly fall. So this is what it looks like. I don't know how much of it you can see. I do have like a pouch, a couple pouches, and a candle. So here's my candle, and it looks like it is going to be like a yellowish colored candle. Now I do leave these in the tissue box, in the tissue wraps. They're just beeswax candles, but I do leave them until I use them in that kind of a wrap. And the herb is definitely cinnamon. So let's pull that on out, and also little pieces of bark in here. So this is probably a very strong. Well, not as strong as I would have thought. I would have thought that would have been like incaptivatingly strong, but that's kind of nice. So the other thing I know I get is incense sticks, so we're going to pull those on out. That does not smell like cinnamon, so we'll look in the envelope here in a few minutes to see what that is. And then let's pull out our oil before we pull out everything else. And it says Leal, L-E-L-A-E-L, ritual body oil. Let's give it a shake and a smell. That smells really nice. And I do have like, it feels like it was leaking a little bit. Probably should have not left that sit for so long. And it does come with a stone dropper. Pardon me while that has cinnamon in it. Oh yeah, it does. That has cinnamon in it. I'm going to move that oil and sit it upright with the rest of my oils while we do the rest of this. Ooh, that's pretty. It's just like, you can tell it's the stone, I guess, that it's talking about. Oh, that's really pretty. It's a bracelet. So, that's nice. And then this one, it looks like... Ooh, that's pretty. Magical Power. By the 3 rays of magic within the witching hour, by the 5 stars of the North, I summon forth, and so mote it be. So that's really kind of cool. Let's see if I can get that name just right. So I think it's just a regular, like, yep, latchy thing. So, and it's engraved as well. Like, do I even know where my camera is? So, that's nice. I like getting little pieces of jewelry. And then the last item in here looks like, ooh, also the stone, but it looks like an arrowhead. So that's neat. I like that. Here, let me get that from behind me. So that is interesting. I'm going to put this one back in here for now. And I'm going to open this real quick because I'm curious as to see what my incense is. So this is what you normally get. And it goes through everything that you got, and what you can do with it, what it's most commonly used for, or other stuff. That's always nice information and a good read. It does say that the incense sticks, Vitality Ritual Incense. It says Prowless of Power. That's what this box was, probably. Prowless of Power. Incense stick. These wonderful fragrant ritual sticks were placed in this collection to inspire. It does not tell me what it is infused with, but I'm going to tell you. Body oil has ginger root, lemon, ginger, clove oils. That's the cinnamon kind of smell I guess I smell. So that's it for this box. I do enjoy getting this box. Like I said, all links are in the description of all of my videos. So if you ever see a box that you want to subscribe to, just click on down into the description and it will send you right there. Some of my boxes I get something for, about most of my boxes I do not. It's just there to help you get there faster. But that is the Witch's Roots box for September. And I heard your face, and I see you in the next video. Bye.